Hello and hi friends, welcome to our channel Technical Hurry. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an artificial magnet. I think this video will help in your practical work or any given task by your teacher. I think this video may be very helpful for you, so please watch the full video and don't skip the video. Now let's start the work by taking some ingredients like this. You need some ingredients like iron nail, everyday battery, some nails or pins for testing, copper wire. You can use a bolt, it's your choice, but I'm going to use in here. So let's start our video of making. At first we need a iron nail and copper wire, and roll the copper wire around the nail. Roll the nail as tightly as you can and leave the space while starting. Roll the nail very tightly, okay? Please don't make the gap between the coil and fill the coil very tightly as you can. That will help the iron artificial magnet be more powerful. So you have to make the coil like this and make your coil very tightly as possible. Now cut the extra copper wire. Strip the exhalations. Now you can use the bolt and put in here. You should not make the bolt tight. You can make look like this. You have to make look like this. Friends, after making look like this, you have to use your battery and a tape. Put the tape and touch the minus and plus point with the help of tape. Here friends, you have to make like this. Now friends, the moment of test. Now we are going to test the artificial magnet power. Look, our artificial magnet is very powerful and we have tested it by using lifting iron. Look at friends. Look at friends, our artificial magnet have worked very nicely. If you like this video, please like, comment and give a good comment and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share. Please friends, like, comment and subscribe our channel.